Because what's happening is why there's you don't have the confidence and the self-esteem is because your cell membranes are actually deteriorating. Kez, how to strengthen my confidence, self-esteem when sensitive to the energies overwhelm. Need it in my new challenging work role. Kez, I'm going to give you an answer that's going to completely have you go, that doesn't make sense, right? However, it's going to work. And the answer to this is, I'm not going to focus on your physical, on your energetic aspect at the moment, because what's happening is why there's you don't have the confidence and the self-esteem is because your cell membranes are actually deteriorating, yeah, and your cells are all about self-esteem and confidence, yeah. When your cells are healthy, you have self-esteem, you have confidence. So we need to rebuild those cell membranes again, and the way we're going to do that is with a tablespoon of ghee of warm water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and applying black sesame seed oil to your body, your whole body. I want you to do it 3 times a week for the next 4 weeks. Yeah. And then what I want you to do after that is I want you to self-regulate yourself. And when you feel things are becoming overwhelming, I want you to have that, go back to putting that black sesame seed oil over your whole body to settle the nervous system down, to start giving some nourishment to your cell membranes. But those are the simple things. So ghee in the morning, and I'd even invite you to start using ghee for your cooking and stuff as well. So you're getting that that healthy fat into your body. That's going to really rebuild those cell membranes. And just on that case, you've got this new work role. You'll be fine. Yeah, it's actually a real good learning curve for you to be able to learn how to deal and cope in let's say overwhelming environments that soon won't become overwhelming because you'll know how to regulate your body and yourself.